Hi, this is Nikki from findmecrafting.com. I just want to show you how to quickly and easily upload SVGs, PNGs, JPEGs into Cricut Design Space so that you can use those images. I'm here on my website, which is findmecrafting.com, where I have a lot of free printables and gift tags that you can download. Now, once you're a subscriber to my website, you can find all of my free stuff in the resource library, which is on my homepage, and my newsletter has the password for that resource library in it at the bottom of every newsletter. If you're not a subscriber, then the way to get these images is to click on the big pink button at the bottom where it says to click and receive your download. It takes you to this page where you need to put in your email address and click the big pink button to sign up. And now it says you need to go confirm your subscription in your email. So you would go to your email account and you would find the email that I just sent you from findmecrafting.com. There it is. And you're just going to scroll down. There's the image we want. There's the SVG. You click the blue button and it's going to confirm your subscription and it's going to give you the SVG. There it is. That's the actual SVG that you want to upload into Cricut Design Space. So you're going to want to right click that image and then select Save As from the menu that pops up. Now you have to pick where you're going to save it. Just keep track of where you're saving it so that you can retrieve it later. I have mine set to put into my downloads folder, so I know it's there. It's just been downloaded to my folder. If you're downloading an image from anywhere else that is not my website, at this point, once you've saved it to your downloads folder after you've actually downloaded it to your computer, the rest of this will apply for putting any other image into Cricut Design Space. Now I'm going to open Cricut Design Space and click New Project in the upper right hand corner. From here on your blank canvas, you're going to go over to the left and click the Upload button. From here, you're going to want to click that button that says Upload Image, and here you're going to click the Browse button and go back to wherever you have saved that download. Remember, mine's in my Downloads folder, so I'm going to click on that image. And there it is. It's just uploaded the actual image into Cricut Design Space. Now you can change the name, you can add tags so that when you do searches in Cricut Design Space, you can find it easier. I'm going to leave it as is and click this green button in the lower right corner. And now you can see in that row there that it's uploaded it. You have it in there. If you select it, and then you can click the green button and put it onto your actual canvas. If you give it a minute to load, there it is. You have now uploaded that image into Cricut Design Space and it's available for you to use. Now you know how to upload images into Cricut Design Space and your creativity can just run wild. Happy crafting!